Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the CLORIS Folding Trampoline Mini Rebounder, a perfect blend of fun and fitness for both kids and adults. This trampoline stands out with its vibrant colors designed to captivate children, while the durable rebounding surface, supported by 24 sturdy tension elastic bands, ensures a rust-free and gentle bounce. Its lightweight, foldable design with detachable legs makes it incredibly easy to move and store, ideal for those with limited space. Safety is a top priority, with an adjustable padded handlebar ranging from 32.6 to 40.5 inches, offering a secure grip for kids, and a springless design that reduces the risk of pinched fingers or toes. The trampoline is easy to assemble, with pre-installed bands and a helpful demo video to guide you through the process, ensuring you can start bouncing in no time. With a waterproof PP mat and anti-slip rubber foot pads, stability and safety are enhanced, making it a reliable choice for indoor and outdoor fun. And remember, if you have any questions, the CLORIS team is ready to provide all-round support to ensure your satisfaction. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.